Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing TruHeight Growth Gummies, a supplement claiming to support growth in kids and teens. Here's what we found after testing. The gummies are packed with vitamins like D, calcium, and collagen, which do support bone health, but growth itself is primarily determined by genetics, nutrition, and hormones. While taking these gummies, we noticed they were easy to consume, tasty, and provided good daily nutrition. However, we did not see dramatic growth effects outside of what normal development would provide. The pros are that they're kid-friendly, filled with helpful vitamins, and encourage consistent nutrition. The cons are that they won't magically make someone taller. They're expensive compared to regular multivitamins, and the claims are exaggerated. Overall, TruHeight Growth Gummies are good supplements for nutrition but misleading as height boosters. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.